Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 startup problems. Okay, so if you've got startup problems, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to diagnose it and then also resolve the issues of your boot failure. So the first thing is disconnect all your peripherals. Okay, so your printers, external drives, USBs, anything that's non-essential can trigger a boot conflict. So unplug everything. The next thing is check that your PC is properly plugged in and your power supply is functioning. It seems like I can't reboot my mouth. Right, so then next we want to load Windows with minimal drivers. You can also work in safe mode, and any recent apps or drivers could then also likely be the culprit. So your forced restart, you can do this like this. So the WinRE, troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, and then go to restart. Step 2, the auto diagnosis for corrupted files and bad boot configs. Here you go to Windows RE, troubleshoot, advanced options, startup repair. And then you can also use command prompt, so you can run these commands over here. And then once you're done, you can try a system restore. So this will roll you back to a stable restore point before the issue continues. And this is the way that you get in. So it's Windows RE, troubleshoot, advanced options, system restore. All advanced tools are accessible through the Windows recovery environment, and it's triggered by forced shutting down and restarting your PC 3 times in a row.